In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuillBot's paraphrasing tool to reduce plagiarism. First, open your web browser and go to the official QuillBot website. A quick web search will get you there. On the homepage, find and open the paraphrasing tool. This is where we'll work. You'll see a simple workspace with two panels. The left side is where you paste your original text, and the right side shows the rewritten output. You don't need an account to try the basic features, though logging in can increase limits, and some advanced options are part of the premium plan. To reduce plagiarism, start by choosing a mode that matches your purpose. Standard is free and a solid default because it balances clarity and originality. If you want smoother readability, fluency can help. For a more natural tone, Humanize is helpful, and for a scholarly feel, formal or academic adds precision. Some modes may require a premium upgrade, but standard is perfectly fine for most tasks. You can also refine word choice by selecting suggested synonyms in the output. Swapping a few terms can make the result sound more like your voice. Now paste your sentence or paragraph into the left input box. Keep the source nearby so you can confirm the meaning stays intact. When you're ready, click Paraphrase. QuillBot will generate a rephrase version on the right. The goal is not to disguise the source, but to express the same ideas in fresh language that reads as your own. If the output feels too close to the original, try a different mode, lightly adjust your input, or paraphrase shorter segments for finer control. If you hit a character limit, simply split your text into smaller sections and process them one at a time, keeping your transitions consistent. Take a moment to read the result carefully. Check that the key points are accurate, the tone fits your audience or assignment, and specialized terms remain correct. Don't paraphrase direct quotations. Keep them in quotation marks and include proper attribution. And remember, paraphrasing can improve originality, but it does not replace citations when you're using someone else's ideas. When you're satisfied, you're essentially done. Copy the paraphrased text from the right panel and paste it into your document. As a final quality check, read it aloud to catch awkward phrasing, and consider running your full document through a plagiarism checker and a grammar tool before submitting. With a bit of practice, you'll quickly balance clarity, originality, and accuracy using QuillBot's paraphrasing tool.